Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Cultural Festival of Chitral. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, before this in English for grade 3, you have learned to express your needs and feelings, and today we will learn to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to describe local events. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Fil, verse 1 till 5. Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did he not make their plot to end in vain? And he sent down on them birds in flocks, striking them with stones of baked clay. Then he, Allah, made them like straw eaten up by cattle. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful surah Al-Fil is telling us. Basically, this is an event when a governor of Yemen, Abraha, attacked and Nauzubillah, he tried to demolish Baitullah, Khana Kaaba. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved his own house, Baitullah. This was the incident, this was the event. I would suggest you talk about it with your Islam math teacher. Ask your Qari Sahib to tell you detail of this event, and then you will find out how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved his house, Baitullah. And this was the event when our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. That's why that year is also known as Amul Fil, means the year of elephant. Okay, so better find out. And this is event also tell us the strength of Islam. All right. So, my dear students, this is how we can discuss about events, about incidents. This is what we are learning once again from Quran. So, first you tell me what is oral communication and what is an event. Okay, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly that oral communication is a process of expressing ideas through words. Okay, when you are telling your ideas through words. This can be done in a conversation between two or more people. So when we are talking about something, we are exchanging our idea, it is known as oral communication. Okay, and what is an event? An event is an occasion when that is organized by any individual or a group of people to celebrate any particular happening, and this event becomes local. Local event means an event that is celebrated at local level. And what is local level? It is not a national event, and it is typically organized by civic community, educational or cultural community of a particular area. So when an event is celebrated in a particular area, it is called local event. Do you understand? For example, let's see. So this is a cultural event, you see, because it is depicting the culture, the food, the dresses. Okay, so this is a local event. All right, the next, what is this? This is a flower exhibition. It is a local event of Punjab, and it is celebrated in different cities. This picture has been taken from the exhibition of flowers in Lahore. So this is how different events at local level are organized, and we'll talk about these events today. So this is, we know very well, this is the event of Chitral, the polo match which is held in Chitral, different activities which are being held over there. All right. So, and this is Children's Literature Festival. So, beta, this is how a local event, what is an event, what is a local event. So, we know about many events. We are going to talk about them. So, whatever information I have, I can tell to you. Whatever information do you have, you will tell to me. So, it will become oral communication between us about the local events. Are you clear with the concept? All right. Are you ready for the practice? Here is activity time. What you are going to do? Describe local events in group and discuss interesting things about these events too. And how we are going to do it? Your teacher will divide students in group and your teacher will give you a topic about your favorite event for discussion. Okay. After 5, you will be given 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, students will come one by one in front of class and will share their information with their classmates. Okay, so everyone is going to participate. This is how we are going to do this activity. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, all of you have described your favorite event. Wonderful. So it's time for your homework. What you are going to do, you will discuss about Islamic events, Islamic festivals with your parents. So at your home with your parents, you will discuss Islamic festivals and you will prepare a speech about Eid. Okay, this is your homework. And tomorrow you will deliver the speech in your classroom. And here is a worksheet. What you are going to do. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And dear students, what you are going to do, first of all, you will read the newspaper of last Sunday. You will cut and paste a picture of any local event from that newspaper. Then you will tell to your class fellow about this event. So you will paste the picture here and you will narrate this event to your class fellows. This is how you are going to complete this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned that oral communication is a process of expressing ideas through words. And we also learned that local event means an event that is celebrated at local level, and we discussed local events in groups. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to describe local events. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.